Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Econ Vision by your teaching buddy. I am back with another video on median, which is a continuation video of my playlist that was measures of central tendency. In that I have mentioned some of the videos related to AM, that is arithmetic mean mathematical average. Now I am going to start with a positional average. In that also my first topic is median. As the name suggests, median may be defined as the middle value in the data set when its elements are arranged in a sequence order, that is in either ascending or descending order of a magnitude. Right? Now, this was the definition of median. Let's try to understand in a very easier way as according to our channel motive is. So, median, as the name is suggesting, mid, that is the middle term, mid value will give you the meaning of a median. As you can see, there is one graph I have plotted which is in a bell like structure, and suppose this is an x variable which is represented in an ascending order. The smallest value is written first and the largest value is written at the last. Now the median will be this particular value which is in the middle of the series. Right? Now minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are arranged in an ascending order. Now I repeat the definition, that is median may be defined as in middle value in this data set where its elements are arranged either in ascending or descending order. Right? First step is to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Now we have studied about the different kind of series, and these series were something like, first we had an individual series, then we had an discrete series, and then we had an continuous series. So let's start first with an individual series. In individual series, we know that there are numbers which do not repeat itself very frequently, but they are distinct numbers. Let's take an example of in 2, 7, 0, 1, 5, 4. Now these are the numbers. The very first step is to calculate median is to arrange them in an ascending or descending order. I am taking for an ascending order, that is 0, 1, 2, then 4, 5 and 7. These are the numbers. Now count the values. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 in numbers, and the 6 is even number. I'll come back to this particular question once again. I am introducing one more element to it. Let's suppose 8. Okay. Now for the green part, now the n has become 7, which is an odd number. Right? Why I am taking the even at the last? Because it's important to understand the odd one, then you will be able to easily understand the even part. Now the formula for median is, you have to represent it with ME, and the formula goes like n plus 1 by 2 th term. Right? The value for the n in the green part is 7. 7 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 8 by 2, which means the fourth term. Right? Which means the fourth term. Now you have arranged them in a sequence, that was 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 8. Calculate the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. The value is 4. Now this 4 is the median. Here this 4 does not represent this 4. This is the fourth term, and this is the answer of that particular value. Now let's come to the even part. The question which we took was 0, 1, 2 and that is 4, 5 and 7. This was our number, and we had 6 numbers. The value for n is 6. Whenever there is an even number, the step 1 will remain same in every case. That is, first you need to arrange them in an ascending or descending order. Whatever order you like, you can arrange it in that way. The answer will remain same. The answer will not be different because of the arrangement. Whether you are arranging on a descending or ascending order, it will be same for both the cases. Now the next step that is to arrange them in an applying a formula. The formula goes like n plus 1 by 2th term. Now n plus 1 by 2 will be 6 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 7 by 2, that will be 3.5th term. Why I took this as an at the end, because now you need to understand the value for 3.5 term means. To find out the answer, you have to do the value of third term plus the value of fourth term, and you need to take the average of them. Now why we are taking an average? Because we have got 3.5 value. Now 3.5 is more than 3 but less than fourth, right? More than third term but less than the fourth term. So we have to take the average of it. Now the value of third term is first, second, third. Third term is 2 and the value of the fourth term is 4. You have to take an average for second and fourth. That is 2 plus 4 by 2. That is 6 by 2, 3. Answer. So median for this particular individual series is this. The answer will the formula will remain same for median to be find out in an odd number of series or an even number of series. It's just one more step in an even series to find out the average of both the values. I hope it's clear to everyone. If you are not still not clear, you can comment it down. I'll provide one more examples related to this particular thing and you will be cleared with it. Right, let's move to the discrete part. Okay, I am writing one discrete example where the value for the x, that is size, stands like 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and then their frequency, as we know that in a discrete series we have frequency also. So the frequency for them is 2, 1, 3, 7 and 4. Right, now how to calculate it in discrete series? In discrete series, the very first step is to find out the n. The n will be summation of f. Now find out the summation of f. That you will be getting is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 and 7 is 17. So total number of n that you have got is 17. The next step is, this was step number 1. Now the step number 2 is to find out CF. CF is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is just adding the frequency one by one. That is, you need to find CF. The value of the CF for first is same. Then you just have to add them. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 will be 13. And 13 plus 4 will be 17. This is the value of CF you have got. I hope it's clear to everyone. If you're not clear how to find out CF, you can ask whenever you feel by commenting it down. Right, now the third step is to apply the formula. The step number 3 is to apply the formula, and the formula is same for discrete also. That is n plus 1 by 2th term. So n term is 17. 17 plus 1 by 2, that will be 18 by 2. 18 by 2, that is the ninth term. Right, now how to find out the ninth term? Here is a glitch where how to find out the ninth term. Now suppose if I have not find out the CF and this used to be an individual series, how you will write it? If for an individual series you will be writing like 3, you have to write it 2 times, then it will be 3, 3. Then 4 you have to write for 1 time, then you write 4. Then 5 you have to write 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then 6 you have to write 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 you have to write 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope it's clear to everyone why I am writing this. I am just writing it to explain you once. So if it's not clear, then you can ask it, right? I have written this discrete series into an individual series like this. Now you have to find out which value. You have to find out the ninth value. Try to calculate it from the starting. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the answer, that is the sixth. If it has been the individual series, but it is a discrete series, how you will find out according to a CF? You have to find out the ninth term, right? Here only 2 terms will come, here only 3 terms will come, here 6 terms will come, and in this particular group you will be getting the ninth term, right? So this is termed as a median group. This has been termed as a median group. So in this you will be getting the value of your ninth term, and the respective value or the corresponding value in front of it will be your median, that is 6. And when we were finding according to an individual series, then also we were getting the answer 6, right? So the answer for this particular median is the 6, right? 6 is the answer. This is the way you will find out according to a discrete value. It will remain same for that is odd number and even number. Let's try to find out for a continuous series. That is the end of this particular video. That is in continuous series. I am plotting one example, that is for an x it's 0 to 10, 10 to 20, then it's 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and that's it. Let's plot for f. The f for this particular series is 3, 4, 2, 7 and 9. Let's do our first step. Step number 1 is to find out n. Now find out n. N can be find out with n xf. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7 is 25, right? It's 25. Now next step is to find CF. Step number 2 to find CF. CF, right? The CF is, that will be 3, adding that will be 7, then 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 7 will be 25. We have find out the CF. Now our next step is to find out the formula. Plot it in a formula. The formula for that will be ME is equals to, that is your value is to find out L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I, right? Now we have got one new value, that is n by 2, and you have find out that is 25. So find out the value for n by 2, that is 25 by 2, which will be around your value, that is 12.5, right? You have to find that is 12.52. Now follow the particular value which you followed in discrete value, that is 12.5. Here only 3 terms will come, here 7 terms, here 9, and here you will be getting your 12.5th term, right? So this is considered to be as in median group, right? This is to be termed as a median group. Now let's try to find out everything according to our formula. In this you need to find L1, n by 2, then you find out CF, F and I. These all things you need to find, and then just plot it in a formula. L1. L1 is the lower limit of your median group. This is your median group and the lower limit is this. So L1 value is 30. N by 2 you have already got, that is 12.5. Then you have to find CF. Whatever is your median group, the value just above it will be considered as in your CF value. So CF is 9 for this particular question. The value for F is the corresponding value of your median group. Median group is this, and the corresponding value of F is this, that is 7, right? And the value for I is the difference between your class intervals, that is 40 minus 30, that is 10. In this particular questions, it hardly matters that your intervals are equal or not. If they are equal, then also it's fine. If they are not equal, then also it's hardly matters about their difference between them. So finding about ME, that is median, and plotting into a formula stands like L1, which is 30, plus n by 2, that is 12.5, minus CF is 9, divided by n frequency is 7 into n I, that is 10. So you are getting 30 plus 1 by 10. When you will be solving it, then you will be getting 3.5 by 7 into 10, that is 30 plus 35 by 7, that is 35. So 35 is your median for this particular question. Point and soft trick to be remembered is that whatever you are getting your median class, your answer will also lie in between this. Your answer will not go beyond this. If your median class is 30 by 40, your answer will never be less than this or greater than this. It should lie between this, right? That is from between 30 to 40. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, if you understand it, do like it, subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt, you can comment it down and ask. Thank you so much.